If your DP-20 is leaking fuel from around the shaft seal, ensure the screws on the bushing retainer plate are properly tightened. If the leak persists, your shaft seal may need to be replaced. To replace the shaft seal on your DP-20, start by removing the handle from the pump. Then remove the two 5/16" screws securing the retainer plate to the pump. Remove the retainer plate and bushing. Then extract the shaft seals from the shaft using a small pick. The shaft seals should be discarded and replaced. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website. To install your new shaft seals, ensure the slits on each are not aligned. Then use the bushing to press them down into the seal cavity. Replace the retainer plate and tighten the two 5/16" screws with a socket wrench. Attach the handle to the pump, sliding a clevis pin through each hole as shown. Secure each clevis pin with a cotter pin. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPI.